If you're like me, you absolutely hate this ugly amber color light. I'm going to show you how to change this. Except for this one in the back, which I don't see anyway. I didn't have enough bulbs at Walmart. I got enough for just this one. I think there's just one in here. I could be wrong. Basically, I got 3 bulbs because that's all they had were 3. And to get this out, all you need is the flat tip screwdriver. And there's a slot right here. You should be able to take and just pop it off just like this. And that's how you get it out. And then you take and pull your old bulbs out. Walmart has these. These are LEDs. 6411 is the part number you need. Now when you pop these back into place, make sure that the clear side is facing downward. And you have the white side of it. And I'll show you, there's a white piece. And there's a clear side. Have the clear side facing downward. And then it's just a matter of getting this piece back in. After you change your bulb, then reassembling is pretty easy. Just like that. Now let's check it out. Wow, look how bright it is. Okay, it's pretty dark out. Now, we're going to see the original bulb. Versus the new one. Wow. So, you can see the difference already. I mean, they lit up, but that lights up. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you learned something, and you'll be able to fix your own light bulbs. We'll see you next time.